In this video, we will write a polynomial function of least degree with integral coefficients that has the given zeros. Now, for our purposes, there are a lot of extra words in that sentence that we can basically ignore. The important part is we need to write a polynomial function that has these zeros. The part about least degree and integral coefficients, technically, if we didn't say that, there are infinitely many solutions that could satisfy and have these zeros. So, the bottom line is, if these are the zeros, then these are the factors. A 0 of 1 would come from a factor of x minus 1. A 0 of negative 2 corresponds with a factor of x plus 2. And a 0 of negative 1 gives us a factor of x plus 1. So then it's just a matter of multiplying all this out. So I like to take the 2 on the right and multiply those together. So that's going to give me x squared. I'm just doing the distributive property. So I've got x squared plus x. And then I've got 2x plus 2. So that gives me x squared plus 3x plus 2. And I'm just bringing down the x minus 1 that I had in the first place. Now I'm going to multiply x plus 1 times this trinomial. So again, I'm just doing the distributive property. Okay, so that's going to be x to the third power plus 3x squared plus 2x, because I just multiplied everything by x. And now I'm about to multiply everything by negative 1. So that's going to give me negative x squared minus 3x minus 2. So now I'm just combining my like terms, and I'm going to have x to the third power, because that had nothing to combine with. But you can combine 3x squared and negative 1x squared, and that's going to give you plus 2x squared. And then you can combine 2x with negative 3x, and that's going to give you negative x. And then you have your minus 2 on the end. So this is the answer. So I'm just going to look for it up above. So let's see. They all have minus 2. They all have x to the third power. They all have, wait. They all have x to, so they all have 2x squared. But oh yeah, I have 2x squared. I was looking here. So minus x. I'm looking for the one that has minus x. And there it is. So the answer is C.